23 is our enlargements question. We're told to enlarge shape A by a scale factor of 1/2 with a centre, the origin. So, first step I always find useful is to draw our guidelines straight from the centre, which is the origin, through the vertices, the corners of the shape that we have to enlarge. Now we're told we're going to enlarge the shape by a scale factor of 1/2, which means it's actually going to get smaller. Now let's take the easier points first of all. So to get from my centre of enlargement to this vertex here, I have to travel 6 squares to the right and none up. So if we enlarge by a scale factor of 1/2, times those numbers by 1/2, so instead of going 6 to the right, we're only going to go 3 to the right, and we're not going to go any up still. That makes sense because it still lands on our line. Now to get to the second vertex, that was 8 squares to the right, none up, so that'll be 4 squares to the right. Notice that of course also lies on the line. Now to get to this vertex, the top left hand corner, we had to go 6 to the right and 6 up, so we're going to go 3 right and 3 up, and likewise to get to this vertex is 8 up and 8 to the right, so that's going to give us that point there. So now when we join those points up, we should see that this shape is exactly half the size, or rather the dimensions are half of the original one. And to make sure we get our final mark, notice we have to label the image B, never forget that part.